happy Saturday morning. We left a lot of food out last night, so everything was gone, and I just did a refill. But this is not the only little girl that greeted me. She's back. This is a baby. Good morning. Hello. I filled up the feeders. And she's enjoying. I don't want to bother her. She's enjoying herself. I'll do the inside situation and see how they're doing. Just leave them be. She comes. She knows to come early. And she's enjoying her seeds. There you go. The face. Hello. She's young. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. They're taking everything in. The little girl is eating her those treats. She loves those treats. I told my husband, make sure you have them. What are they called? That all the cats love. Hi. Are you enjoying yourself? Yeah, I freshened your water. She likes the seeds over the peanuts. Hi, she's tiny. If you look, she's tiny. Isn't that just pure beauty? Purely beautiful. She comes in the morning. Look at that. It's very sweet. Hi. With those little ears. I love those little girl ears. Hello. So tiny. Have a wonderful day, everybody. I'm not going to be moving. I threw it throughout. So hopefully everybody gets their fill. Take care, baby.